your seats. Today we will discuss about the multiplications. Multiplication of two numbers by the use of Nikilam Sutra. Nikilam Sutra, actually Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata means all from 9, unit from 10 or last from 10. We will, in the day-to-day life, we will come across some of the numbers near the base or some of the numbers away the base. What is the base? Is nothing but 10 or powers of 10. 10 or powers of 10 is called base. It may be 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000 like that. We will find out the sum of the sub-bases also, like 20, 30, 40 or 200, 300, 2000. This is all called sub-bases. We are usually coming across these two bases, one base or the sub-base. We will come across another word is deviation. Deviation is nothing but the difference between the given number and the base. Given number and the base. These are three terms we will come across, and usually this sutra is meant for the finding the deviation only, difference between the number and the next highest or the lowest positive number. If you want to find out the deviation of 7 from 10, how much you will get? 3. That means this is in the unit place only. Hence 7 from 10 is 3. Suppose it is 63 or something. For the next unit place, it is 3 from 10 is 3 from 10 is 7, and this is from 9 because all other digits from 9, hence it is 3. There is nothing, nothing means there is 0. 0's ekadika is 1. That means 63 may be produced in the way of Rekanka 3 and Rekanka 7. If you subtract 37 from 100, you will get the 63. You may extend only to the 2 digits also, but even if you are extending only to the 2 digits, you are finding it difficult. 7 from 10 you will get 7. Ekadika of 6 is 7. That means subtracting 7 from 70, these 2 digits also big one. It is more than the 5. When you are going to the vernacular numbers, you want that to be shortened or the very less than the 5 number. Today we are discussing about the 2 number multiplications. That means there is only multiplier and multiplications. Let us consider one example of 1014 multiplied by 1009. You are writing the given numbers one below the other. 1014 is nothing but the multiplicand, 1009 is the multiplier. These two numbers are more than the base, that is more than the 1000. These two numbers are nearer to the 1000. How much is more in the first number? 14. You write in front of the 1014. This is the 14 is the deviation of 1014. What is the deviation of 1009? 9. You write the 9 in front of the 1009. This being the two numbers, you got the answer in two parts. One as the left hand side, another as the right hand side. It being, I will repeat once again, this being the two numbers, you got the answer in two parts. One is the left hand side, one is right hand side. You selected 1000 as the nearer base. To get the left part of your answer, you add the another deviation to the single number. If you considered 1014 being the your selected number, 1014 plus another deviation means 9. 1014 plus 9 you will get 1023. Or otherwise also, another, if you selected 1009, 1009 plus 14, 1023. If you want only the base, I want only the base and other two deviation, then also you will get the same thing. 1000 plus 14 plus 9. These two deviation becomes 23 plus 1000 you will get 1023. There is another also, you got these two numbers 1014, 1009. The total of these is 2023. Subtract the base, then also you will get 1023. To get the left part of your answer, there are 4 choices, but as per my suggestion, you select the one big number and the small deviation.
Yes.
Select the big number. In this case, that is 1014 and small deviation is 9. Add a 9 to the 14, you will get the same number. To get the right part of your answer, how many deviations are there? 2. One is 14 and another is 9. You multiply the only deviation to get the right part of your answer. Now, product of 14 and 9, 126. 126 is the 3-digit number. Our base has also got 3 digits 0. 1000 has got 3 zeros. Hence, your 126 is the right part of answer. Suppose you got only 2 digits. 2 digits in the right part of your answer, you have to prefix 0 to the number.
Yes.
Suppose you got the more digit of number, instead of 3, you got the 4 digit, you carry the one leftmost digit to the left part of your answer. It is easy to get the product of the 2-digit number of the nearer base, but we discuss now it is far from the bases. Now let us see the example of 49 multiplied by 41. These two numbers are away from the base. If you took 10 as a base, it is 4 times base. 10 as a base, sub base is how much? 40. That becomes, you will get the ratio of 1:4. You may do the same problem with the base of 50 also, because 49 is near to 50 and 41 is also near to 50. At that time the base is 10, sub base is 50, ratio becomes 5. Now let us study the only base of 40. Given number is 49 multiplied by 41. What is the deviation? How much to be added to the 40 so it becomes 49? 9. How much to be added to 41 so it becomes 41? 1. That means 9 and 1 are the deviations of the 49 and 41 with a sub base of 40. What is the value of 9 into 1? 9. How many digits are there? 1. 10 has got 1 0, hence 9 is the right part of your answer. Now I have to add the one deviation to the big number. Here it is the 49 is the big number in the given problem. 49, another deviation is 1. 49 plus 1 equal to 50. But what is the ratio? 4. You have to multiply 50 into 4 because sub base selected 40, base is 10, ratio is 4. Hence you have to multiply the right part of your answer to the 4 ratio. Here 50 into 4 you will get 200. That means 49 multiplied by 41 you will get 200 in the left part, 9 in the right part. That means 2009. Suppose you selected as the 50 as the base, what is the ratio? 5. That means how much to be subtracted so it becomes 49? 1. 50 minus 1 you will get 49. 50 minus 9 you will get 41. That means it is the reverse of this ratio, because here it is a positive number, here it is a negative deviation. Minus and minus. To get the right part, once again you are multiplying 9 and 1. What is the product of 9 and 1? 9 only. And it is a single digit. 50 has also got single zero. That is right part of your answer. Now you want to get the left part of your answer. When you are subtracting, you select the smaller number in the given figure. Instead of 49, you select 41. 41 minus 1, you will get 40. The ratio is 5. Multiply the 40 into 5 ratio. How much you will get? 200. That means left part is 200, right part is 9. The value becomes 2009. Now the same problem can be...
So is it better to write deviation as bar 1 and bar 9 instead of 1 and 9? Because our numbers are 49, 41, less than a sub base.
If you always write the Rekhanka numbers only, instead of keeping idle. And always write in such a way that if it is for anything 49, if you want to subtract, you write plus minus 1 plus Rekhanka 1. In, for example, for the 41 plus minus 9. Because plus and minus, minus only. For all purposes, you prefix the plus and put in the Rekhanka. That is good for the calculation purposes.
Another question. So why are we sparing the right hand side? So what's the reason that we are multiplying the ratio only by the left hand part?
Left hand part, not for the right hand part. Right hand part is the only for the deviation purpose.
So that remains
that remains the same, and that remains the number of zeros always towards the base. That is why this is becoming multiplication of 49 and 41 is not difficult if you are familiar with the multiplication table up to 9. We'll study how to write the tables in some other sessions. Okay? The same number 49 multiplied by 41, you may consider the base of 100. But these two numbers are near to 50. The ratio between these two numbers is 1 by 2. Here the product of 1 and 9 is not 9, it is 09, because 100 has got 2 zeros, that is hence 2 digits. 41 minus 1, how much you will get? 40. Half of 40 is 20 is the left part, 09 is the right part. 49 multiplied by 41, you will get the 2009.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, if we take two numbers 52 and 53, taking base as 10 and sub base as 50, then sir, how can we perform the multiplication? Because 1 by 2 as the ratio will not divide the 55 number that we get in the left part of our...
No, if you are taking 100 as a base, your number is 52 multiplied by 53. Base as directed, base is 100, sub base is
50.
What is the ratio of these two?
1 by 2.
Ratio is 1 by 2. If this is the case, what is the deviation? How much is more than the 50? 2. That means positive 2. Or how much is more in the 53?
Plus 3.
Plus 3. There are two numbers, two parts. What is the product of 2 and 3? 6. 6 is a single digit. You prefix 0 and put 6. To get the left part, 53 plus the another deviation, that is 2, 53, 2 or 52, 3, whatever the case may be, half of this one. That means 53 plus 2 is 55. 55. Half of that one you will get how much?
27.
27 and 1 half. Right part is as it is.
06.
whenever you come across the fractions like this 1 by 2 or any fractions, this is not to the left part, this is only to the right part. Hence 27 is only the left side of your answer, that is half of
Base.
the given selected base is 100 to be added to the right part of your answer. Half of 100 is 50. 50 plus 6 is
56.
56. That means 27, 56 is your answer. Left part is 27, right part is
56.
So excuse me, if we have ratio 1 by 3,
1 by 3,
fraction?
33. Usually you will come across only to the fractions like 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Even number fractions you will get.
okay.
Let us see the another example. That is 54 by 52. Yes, this is some slight difference between 52 and 53. This may be solved by the two ways, basing on the 10 base or basing on the 100 base. What is the deviation if you consider the base as 10? How much is more in the 54 case? 4. What about in the case of 52?
2,
What is the product of 4 and 2?
8,
How many digits are there in the 8? Only 1.
One.
Base is also 10,
10.
0. Hence it is 8 in the right part. Add 2 to the 54. How much you will get?
56,
56. Ratio is 5. 56 multiplied by 5 you will get?
280,
280. 280 is the left part, 8 is the right part. That means 54
2880.
multiplied by 52 you will get 2808. If you consider the base as 100, consider the base as
100.
100. Sub base is 50, the ratio becomes half. Then also deviation is 4 in the first number, 2 is the deviation in the second number. But the right part is always 2 digits because 100 has got 2 zeros. The product of 4 and 2 is 8, that is 08 is the right part. What is the 54 plus 2 is? 56. Half of 56 is 28. 08 is your answer. Suppose if you got the 246 multiplied by 252, are they near to the 200 or near to the 300? But it is in between the
Yes.
200 and 300.
300.
Yes, in this case, you have to take the base as 1000
Yes, sir.
because it is quarter to the 1000. If base is 1000, sub base is 250, you will get the 1/4. For that reason, in case of such type of numbers, you try to select the suitable base. Now, 246 is the Rekanka of 4 plus Rekanka 4. 252 is the positive 2. Now, what is the results of this Rekanka 4 multiplied by the 2? You will get 8, Rekanka 8, but it is a single digit 008. That is the right part of your answer. To get the left part, 252 minus 4 or 246 plus 2. You will get 248. 1/4 of the 248, you will get 62 as the left part of your answer. But the right part is the Rekanka number. To normalize this one, the same sutra applies. All from 9, last from 10. 8 being the last number, 8 from 10 is 2, all from 9, 0 from 9 is 9, 0 from 9 is 9. This is 62. You have to do Ekanyunena Purvena. 62 is the next number. 1 minus, you will get 61. That means 246 multiplied by 252, you will get 61992. This is all about the near to the base or away to the base. But suppose we got some numbers being the smaller number and some number being the far away from the numbers. What to do? For example, if you are coming across such type of sub bases or the deviations, here is a formula. Given number is n1 and n2 being the given numbers. Till now you find out the deviation 1 and deviation 2. To get the right part, there is only deviation multiplied by another deviation, d1 and d2. To get the left part, now in case of the different bases, you have to multiply n1 multiplied by b2 plus d2 multiplied by
B1.
b1. See here, n1 multiplied by b2 plus d2 multiplied by b1, or otherwise n2 multiplied by b1, d1 multiplied by
B2.
b2. Let us consider one example.
B is base.
B here, the base, but which base it is?
Base of the first number.
First number, base of the second number. Because these two numbers are entirely different and entirely away from the bases. Here is a number 108 multiplied by 1007. 108 multiplied by 1007. 108 is near to the 100. 108, 1007. How much is the ratio? Please cancel the number of zeros in the first number base and second number base. You will get the 10. 1 and 10. To get the left part, you have to multiply 108 multiplied by 10. 108 multiplied by 10, how much you will get? 1080 plus 7 into 1, 1087, or otherwise 1007 multiplied by 1, that is 1007 only. 8 into 10,
That is
80. 1007 plus 80, 1080. That is the left part of your answer. To get the right part, there is no change in the procedure. 8 7 ja 56. Smaller base is 2-digit zeros, hence 56 to be right part of your answer. Suppose, see here, in this is very important and very interesting number. 51 multiplied by 1009. 51 is near to 50, but 1009 is near to 1000. Write 50 as a base, 1000 as the base. Cancel the number of zeros in the smaller number. Here it is 10, cancel 10 in the 1000. You will get 5 to the 100. As the deviation is, in the case of 51, there is one deviation. 1009 as the deviation, 9. What is the value of 9 1 ja? 9. 50 has got only single digit 0, hence 9 is the right part of your answer. To get the left part, you multiply 51 into 100. How much you will get?
1500.
5100. 9 5 are 45. 5145 is the left part of your answer. 5145. That means 51 multiplied by 1009, you will get 51459.
9.
It is easy to multiply two numbers near the base, away the different bases also.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can we cancel the common factors with the sir? We have cancelled the 0 in the bases. So can we cancel the common factors?
Yes,
in the bases?
I told you, no? Instead of 2:20, you take as 1:10. But if you consider that, you will not get the answer.
Yes, sir.
For that reason, wherever you are finding the ratios, you take only the as it is. Cancel only the zeros and consider for the
If in this particular case, after cancelling the zeros, if we cancel the common factors also.
then you are not getting. Then once again you have to multiply by the.
common factors.
Yes.
So in that case, we have to multiply with ratio.
Then you have to once again come to the ratio.
Ratio.
That is once again cumbersome. We are coming to the easy methods rather than the cumbersome. Or we are moving to the complexity to simplicity, not to the simplicity to complexity.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if we have B1 as 250,
B1 as
250.
250,
So
then is a negative number, Papa.
no, sir, in our example, so we will cancel only 1 0,
1 0.
and right hand side will have 1 digit.
25 you are selecting.
Okay.
Okay.
So then we will shift the 2 into the
No,
left part.
if it is a 250 base, you cancel only 0, 25. You multiply the 25 to the another number and the product of the other deviation. Okay, today we studied the multiplication of two numbers near the base or away the base or away the two different bases by Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata. Nikilam Navata Charamam Dashata means all from 9, unit from 10 or last from 10. This is usually used for the arriving the deviations, but we studied that for the multiplication also with the not the single method, with the by way of number of two or more number of methods. Okay, let us see in the next class with the different sutras. Thank you very much.